What's up, motherfuckers? It's Heavy Cream. I still got to rate the lyrics. Feed the Devil's finished. I'm not going to fuck up this time. Let's let it roll, homies. Having to read. Heavy Cream's bringing heavy demons. Hold on to that pill bottle, that cattle call for them Somerville bitches. Cut them up, take the riches. Early morning, they're laying in ditches. I sacrifice the pentagram. Fuck you, bitch, ain't Instagram. Feed the devil, feed my demons. Fully stuffed, sadistic minions. Dark nights, rainy days. Got a zig-zag crucifix. I see my demons creeping over the ridge. Looking hungry, gotta get their fix. Burning scars, pointing fingers. It's the devil, he still lingers. Bleeding arms, burning candles. Fresh ass razor with bloody handles. Get the lamb, get the goat. Sliding that knife underneath his throat. I think dark because I feel better. Standing at the altar with a blood-soaked sweater. Sacrificial, suicidal. What's the difference? I'm homicidal. Blood runs like a tidal wave. Feed the devil, he's here to stay. Chant my lyrics to the sky. Blood covers my face, I begin to cry. My soul is lost, I'm a Holy Ghost. Body swinging from a burning rope. Pull it from the altar, rip out their throat. You silly bitch, you still want that dope? Fuck no, there is no hope. Now you hang from the rope. Blood stains, I feel better. Lick the knife and wash my sweater. Those gutter sluts, filthy whores, leave their bodies behind closed doors. This ain't a letter, it's the truth. I'm homicidal, how about you? Yeah. More coming soon. Platonic Dance is dropping next, homies. Feed the devil, he's here to stay.